In the glass industry, controlling temperature is critical to product quality. Real-time monitoring from the molten state through the cooling process ensures that the glass retains the desired properties. Measuring temperatures without contact is often the best or the only possible way. Raytek infrared sensors are used in melt furnaces, float glass lines, in container glass and glass fiber production, as well as in secondary glass processing. Customized software allows data storage and easy integration into control systems. Raytek specialists have even developed solutions for demanding applications where conventional temperature monitoring failed. This is the modern glass factory FGT Polska in Ozorko, Poland. FGT specializes in large projects in the international facade construction. Under the direction of Swiss Managing Director Friedrich Langenbach, the production halls have been equipped with modern machinery for glass tempering, bending, drilling and laminating. The expensive machines and costly raw material leave no room for mistakes and inferior quality. An important part of FGT Polska's business is the tempering of low emissivity glass. Low E glass has become one of the most widely used materials due to the ever-increasing need for energy efficiency and safety. The primary benefit of low E glass is its higher insulation value, which is achieved by reflective metallic coatings on one side of the glass. In the tempering furnace, glass is heated beyond a critical temperature and then rapidly cooled in an air quench to induce internal stress. Tempered glass is 4 to 5 times stronger than ordinary glass and shatters into small cubes instead of large, sharp pieces when it breaks. To achieve good product quality, the glass sheets need to be heated as evenly as possible. Automatic temperature control and online monitoring in the tempering line are essential to ensure the correct quality of the glass and to avoid breakage. In the past, there was no reliable method of monitoring the temperature of the highly reflective coated glass sheets. Glass breakage in the heating or cooling areas often caused production downtime and loss of material. Malfunction of the furnace or wrong settings of the heaters could not be detected quickly enough. The Raytek GS110 thermal imaging system is specifically designed to monitor the temperature distribution of low E glass. The heart of the system is an advanced infrared line scanner, mounted above the small gap between the heating and the quenching section. Just like a camera, the scanner views the heated glass sheets from above and scans their surface as they pass its field of view. Another sensor measures the temperature on the uncoated bottom side of the glass. The GS110 software combines all measured data into a two-dimensional thermal image, which is displayed in real time on a computer screen. If temperatures are not within the specified range, an alarm is triggered to allow for corrective actions. The operator can then make the necessary modifications in the furnace settings, either manually or through a fully automated control loop.
Raytek is the first infrared sensor manufacturer to offer a system that's specifically designed to monitor the temperature distribution of low E glass. The main advantage of the GS110 system is an automated emissivity correction mode which compensates for very low or unknown emissivity values. The Raytek GS110 can be integrated into any process control system. The easy-to-use software allows the user to set up predefined recipes for frequent product changes. All process data are stored for future evaluation and analysis. With the help of the GS110 software, users can view thermal images and temperature profiles, specify alarm conditions for different zones,
automatically analyze zone temperature distribution, define product-specific configurations. By quickly detecting thermal irregularities within the glass and identifying defective heating elements, process parameters can be adjusted to prevent damage and to reduce the scrap rate. The savings achieved with the help of the GS110 system guarantee a high return on investment for every glass processor. Since we installed the GS110 system from Raytek, we have a much better control of the heating process in our furnace, and we've been able to reduce glass breakage in the furnace and in the quenching section considerably. The Raytek GS110 thermal imaging system monitors the temperature distribution of low-E glass even at low or changing emissivity values. It automatically adjusts the emissivity values for changing glass loads. It detects defective coatings. It manages the heat balance in the furnace. And it offers fully automated process control instead of frequent manual corrections. The Raytek GS110 thermal imaging system is a powerful tool for glass processors to improve product uniformity, to increase product quality, to reduce scrap and production downtime, and to achieve higher profitability. The GS110 thermal imaging system from Raytek makes temperature monitoring of low-E glass a lot easier.